In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, this news for India, big shock like, many Indians, whoever they're living in abroad, foreign countries, and they want to go back India. And maybe Indian government arrange planes also next month, I think. So suppose if Indian go back, economy maybe big loss like for economy. 99% whoever they live in abroad and foreign countries, they send money and government have benefit billions, $1 billion. So first shock is Indian going back and they don't have future in India. They no doubt they don't have, they can't provide jobs, and they don't have money also in India. What they do? So Allah giving punishment for Hindu, they don't understand Allah means. I give one example. Boris, UK young president, he have last month corona positive, and now he recovered that and he have negative, and he came back and he working, he start after 1 week, maybe 2 weeks after quarantine, after that he started work, Boris. But you can see he have historical weakness. Like Amir Khan, he checked that his grandfather, grandmother house, his mother 10 years that time she live in Varanasi, Banaras. So he went over there and he saw that. So this the historical weakness Boris have also, and he wants to be checked that history, his mother and his mother side forefathers, Europe country people, French, white people, and he was check his grandfather, father side, Ali Kamal, his name, Turkey guy. He is a memorized Quran also. He know that his grandfather, he memorized Quran, and he went over there and he showed that Quran, and he opened and he said, my grandfather, he memorized Quran. His name is Kamal Ali, or Ali Kamal, his name. And he's a, journalist, like, and he's a, in newspaper, he have articles also. So he saw that. So you can remember this, Almighty God show UK president forefather is a Muslim. One time Obama in USA, his father is a Muslim. He is Christian, Obama, but his father is a Muslim. And Boris is a Christian, his forefather is a Muslim. What is this point? So Hindu, they don't have any country forefathers or father or ruler like Hindu ruler like. But Muslim, Middle East Muslims, they went India, they rule in India, they show that their forefathers is a Muslim and the rulers is a Muslim, and they have history in India 1000 years, like 800 at least, you can put 850 years they rule in India, 850 years. Suppose if you check, this is Muslim history in India. Hindu, they don't have that time, power like. And same thing, France, this is the country, Christian country, like one time they kill each other, Jew and Christians in France. But the history, France also have 800 rule Muslims. So you can check that grandfather, he's a ruler like in UK today, because he's, grandson, his ruler Boris, Muslim blood like. In America, the Muslim blood, Obama father, he ruled like Obama time president. His blood also Muslim, Obama. And Indian blood, forefathers blood is a Muslim, and the ruler's blood is a Muslim, and Almighty God showed this example. So there is India have history. 1990 they kick out worldwide Indians, and Uganda time also Idi Amin he kick out. So wherever Indians live, they don't have first category name, second category, like third category they have in abroad and foreign countries. So why Almighty God not give to Hindu ruler worldwide? Why Almighty God not give to Christians ruler worldwide? Why only Muslims, grandfather, father, grandfather, father, and ruler is a man, his forefather is a Muslim, father is a Muslim, and the guy ruler is a Muslim, like in India, example. Father is a Muslim in America, Obama, and grand forefathers is a Muslim in UK. This is the proof there is no God except Allah. You can see in Christianity, they say, if you go first time in the church, whatever you pray, God accept that. Any Muslim, suppose if he go over there, and any Hindu, suppose if he go in the church, do you want to be stop this Corona-19, COVID-19 pandemic time? They can stop. These all, Christians believe if you go first time in the church, you whatever ask, Almighty God give to you like. Same thing Muslims, if they go Makkah and they saw over there black box according to Christians and Jew and Hindu, the pagans area like one time, idolaters one time like, but the house of Almighty God Allah. And if you saw first time cloth on the top, the box, black box, Masjid Haram, call that Masjid Aqsa, Masjid Baitul Muqaddas they call. So Almighty God, if you go over there first time, if you saw the cloth and you can pray, Almighty God give to me, whatever you ask. Like myself, I asked one time, 22 years past, I say, oh my God, oh my Almighty Allah, I have kid, first kid in my wife belly. That time she is 8 months when I went Hajj, and I cancelled my wife visa and ticket also because she is 8 months, and 9 months means I have to be in Makkah, so I can't deliver over there. No one help me, like everybody busy for own Hajj pilgrims. So I says stay in India. So she stay in India. I went Makkah, and then I pray and I say 80,000 to 80 crore to 90